0 Mike Fox, proceed direct Stinson, connect Stinson Tower 118.2.
0 Mike Fox, switching frequencies. Thank you, sir. Stinson Tower, 350 Mike Fox, checking in with you at 2,600. I have November.
350 Mike Fox, Stinson Tower, clear to land runway 14. Wind 13013, gust 24.
0 Mike Fox copies. Clear to land runway 14. Thank you. And I have the field in sight. At 90 knots. All right, 1,300. I got 3 red and a white. I'm maintaining this altitude and now I'll hit the glide slope. All right, 2 and 2. 10 degrees of flaps. All right, so it's a 130 at 18. That means coming off from the left. Yeah, I'm not doing anything with the plane, and the plane is kind of cocked that way. That's because the wind is hitting the tail. I'm just gonna let it keep on going down that way. More gas, we don't get below glide slope. Got a bit high, no worries. See, this is the wind doing this, cocking me this way. I'm going to get the left wing down and I'm going to apply right rudder. The right rudder changed the nose and the right wing down. That's letting the air go over us, the wind go over us instead of picking us up and pushing us. Very high because I got all 4 whites. I got a red coming in, slightly high. All right, 2 red and 2 white on glide slope. Round a bit, no worries. A little bit more right rudder to straighten us out. Down. Touching down with that wheel first. Now I'm steering with my feet, but I still have the left aileron down, okay? Back. Start down safely.
0 Mike Foxtrot, turn left at the end or runway 9 or your option, taxi to park via Alpha taxiway.
0 Mike Fox, go down to the end, take Alpha to parking. Thank you, sir.
0 Mike Symphony, 0 Mike Foxtrot, cross runway 927, good night.
0 Mike Fox, to park via Alpha crossing 9 and 27. Thank you.
Traffic not available.